Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I am the Nurse Flipper. If this is your first time here, this is a channel to help you with your reselling business or to start one so you can see what's sold and what to buy and sometimes what not to buy because we all make bad buys. So I am going to go over sales today. And on eBay, today is Monday. I did ship out on Saturday, but we have going out today $603.85. So stay tuned. All right, so the first item we have going out is a Beanie Baby. I am going to pop that up here. I am on my way to work this morning, so I pulled stuff that sold last night, but this sold overnight. So the Beanie Baby sold for $8.09, and my cost in was 50 cents. And then next we have a case of Cvs Nasal Mist, which I haven't been showing you guys because you saw a ton of that. I did pay 8 cents per bottle. So I have about $2 into a case. This case sold for $42.21. After shipping, my profit's going to be about $30. So I definitely make the most when people buy cases. And then next are some programmable timers. I got these on a returns pallet and I sold these for $14 plus shipping. The buyer is $26.55 all in. And then we have another case of nasal mist that sold for $42.99. It's kind of weird this weekend. It was almost all cases that sold, which makes me really happy because that's how I make my money. And I didn't sell very many of the 3 and 5 packs. So up next are these speakers. And these I've had for a while. I got on an electronics pallet. These sold for $10.52 plus shipping. The buyer is $20.81 all in. These were from when I was selling Amazon FBA. You can see my sticker there. They didn't sell, so I had Amazon ship them back to me. And profit's only going to be about $8 on those. And then up next are some of the new old stock, the headlights. I didn't sell any for a while, and then I sold one pair international last week, and then I sold this pair. These sold for $16.19 plus shipping. Buyers $27.39 all in. And then next I have some New Balance shoes. I think I got these at a garage sale for $1. I am not very good at finding shoes. I can sell new ones off of pallets, but when it comes to thrifting and finding them, I'm not that good. So these sold for $10 plus shipping. The buyer is $20.90 all in, so about $8 in profit for me. And then, all right, so up next is this Patty Diver's Manual. And this one, I have about $1 in, and definitely keep an eye out for specialty books and manuals. This one sold for $6.36 plus shipping. Buyers $10.22 all in. And then next, another case of nasal mist sold for $48.59. So that one's going to be about a $35 profit. And then this guy is pretty cool. I sold this really cool glass paperweight turtle. So these you might find at thrift stores or garage sales or estate sales really cheap. So I have less than $1 into him, and he actually sold for $20.24 plus shipping. Buyers $35.25 all in. This is stuff I really think is cool and I like to find. And then up next is a Gap jacket. I'll pop it up there. The buyer just paid overnight. I got that at the bins, less than $1 in it. It's a very light windbreaker. It sold for $12 plus shipping. Buyer is $17.45 all in. And then we have another case of nasal mist that sold for $48.59. And then we have this cool vintage Harley Davidson patch. So I love getting old patches. This is an iron-on, and I have less than $1 in. The buyer paid $10.52. The bigger Harley patches, some of them sell for over $100, so keep an eye out. Or if it's on like a raggedy jacket or something like that, you could always take the patch off and just sell the patch. And then up next are these 3 Disney card games. I got these in like a big box lot of Disney items, less than $1 in. These sold for $12.14 plus shipping. Buyers $17.99 all in for those. I have had them for a while, so I'm assuming the stay-at-home orders is probably why that's selling right now. And then next, I sold this BOC. This is a new purse. It did have a defect here. Let me show you. So it was just missing a grommet there. And this one I've had for a while. It sold for $20. Free shipping. I'm actually breaking even on that one. And then I sold a copper necklace. This one's really cool with a fossil shell in the middle. This one sold for $10 plus shipping. Buyers $15 all in. And up next, I'm really happy about this sale. This is my first pillow to sell off of my Macy's palette. I was trying to see. So this does have a $100 price tag on it. I paid about $12. Buyer paid $18.30 plus shipping. They were $31.99 all in. And then we did have 1 3-pack of Nasal Mist going out. And I'm not going to play this like redneck resale, but my guitar that I got from the local pickup, it was like a Facebook marketplace thing. I paid $5 for it. It sold for $26.99 plus shipping. The buyer is $39.54 all in. And then last, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys, these are the shoes, because I did bring them over, that sold for $10. This is a piece that I just got from my online estate auction. I have $7 in. It sold for $25 plus shipping. It's a very, very nice brownie pan. This is Salmon Falls Pottery. The pattern is berry vine. This is 8x8. It sold for $25 plus shipping. The buyer's $38.84 all in. So really not a bad Sunday to have 600 going out. I did ship on Saturday. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will be live tomorrow night at 9 p.m. with Flip with Chris, Calvin at the Kelly Hustle, and Courtney from Bolo Buddies. So I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow night, and I hope you have a great day. All right, guys, so for sales going out today, we have $603.85. Cost of goods was $53.74. Fees are $61.15. Shipping is $175.30. Profit is $313.66, which is 52%, which is above our 50% mark. So I lost an eyelash. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Whoa!